A preliminary report by the Coalition of Human Rights Group in Nigeria has revealed that Terwase Akwaza aka Gana was killed during a shootout with security operative on Tuesday, 18 September 2020 along Makurdi-Gboko Road in Benue State. The deceased terrorist has been declared wanted by security operative for his atrocities in the state. He turned in himself to embrace the amnesty by the Benue State, but was killed on his way to Makurdi to meet with Governor Samuel Ortom. The governor claimed that Gana was seized and gunned down by men of the operation Ayem Akpatuma III. However, contrary to Ortom's claim by extrajudicial latest report by the coalition have shown that Gana met his Waterloo doing a gun duel with military personnel. Edward Omega, the special rapporteur, in a statement said, after a rigorous investigation, it was established that there was a gun battle between some loyalists to Gana and military personnel.
Our findings. We were able to gather from credible sources that indeed there was a shootout between Gana and his boys in an entourage of about 20 vehicles driving dangerously along the Makurdi-Gboko Road when they were accosted by troops from the 4th Special Forces Command in Terwase State, who had mounted a spontaneous roadblock along, acting on intelligence on the movement of a large convoy with sporadic shootings. From the information gathered, it was indeed revealed that the late Gana, who was sitting on top of one of the vehicles, opened fire at the military checkpoint, and at that point there was pandemonium and sounds of gunshots rented the air. The convoy of Gana rammed into the military checkpoint after the soldiers took cover and returned gun exchanges with the group. It was also gathered that the identity of Gana was not initially ascertained, not until he was neutralized that his identity was confirmed. By then, he had sustained gun wounds that ultimately led to his death. There was a communication gap between the state government and the Nigerian army in operation between Benue and Taraba axis. This could be a function of two things. One, possibility that the state government deliberately left the Nigerian army out of the amnesty process, or it was an oversight. Consequently, it is our position that a case of extrajudicial killing cannot, and we repeat, cannot be established when all available facts point to the fact that the late Terwase Akwaza, at the time of his death, was in possession of arms, firearms of immeasurable proportion. It is also our considered view that the movement of such a cache of firearms should ordinarily attract the attention of the security operatives. If indeed the said Gana was on his way to embrace the amnesty program of the state government, it is curious that there was no security escort in his convoy and with such weapons at his disposal.
The report therefore rubbished the claim by Ortom that Gana was killed extrajudiciously.